I welcome you to today's class where we'll be unboxing the cameras we have here, and we'll be telling you the types and styles of cameras that are available. Okay, firstly, this is an analog camera. When you get an analog camera, this is what you are expected to find in it: the quick installation guide and the camera itself. So, and we have the screws and the pegs. This is an IP camera. Also, this is what you find in an IP camera: the installation guide and the camera and the screws, just like the analog camera. And this is a dome camera. This is what you find in it. This is the camera. This is the camera. Also, this is another dome torrent camera, but this is analog. This is what you find in it as well. This is what you find in it. Thank you. So I will be explaining the differences between the two, the types of cameras that we have here, the types and styles of camera that we have here. Thank you.